Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can apply for Wolt delivery work. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So for this, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL courier.wolt.com/apply. Once you do this, you will end up in the official application page of Wolt delivery drivers. So once you're here, all you need to do is simply scroll down and type in your name, last name, your email address, the languages that you know and you speak, your delivery country and your preferred delivery city, and your delivery vehicle. After doing this, you have to tick on the consent box and you need to verify that you are a human being and hit the apply button. Once you have done this, you will get an email on your mailing address which you need to confirm, and once you have confirmed it as well, you need to type in the OTP that you have received on your phone number. So after verifying this as well, you will be successful in applying as a delivery driver in Wolt. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more interesting videos like this. Till then, stay tuned and thank you for watching.